For sure. Why? Is this already packed?
Did you get him? Look, it's gonna get you, Martin.
She comes. Coming through.
Best run.
What's going on down here? All the way through. Come on, you guys, let's go through again, and I'm going to get you from the front side. Hi, come on through. You made it.
Sid, go check it out.
You're the one who gave me the idea. Sorry.
All right. Yep, recording the neighborhood party. Look at those glasses.
Jack eating sausage.
Snow yesterday and 60 degrees today.